Hi all. So on the same note of adding title attributes, there's some coding we can do to start a video at a certain time and stop it at a certain time. And this is how it's done. If so, I'm gonna go to the actual YouTube video, which is this one. So on this one, the author wanted us to start it at 50 seconds. So, just make sure you're at a 50-second mark. The easiest way to do this. Okay, so there. So when you share it and copy the embed code, it will give you this option, so you can start at 50 seconds, and that will give you the right code. So you copy it, and when you go back to your page, you can insert embed the code, and it'll give you this start, but it doesn't give you the end. So to end it at a certain point, you have to do and symbol, and then end equals, and the seconds where you want to end it. In this case, it's going to be 6 minutes and 1 second, and you have to do that in seconds. So 6 minutes times 60 is 360 seconds plus 1, so it's going to be 361 seconds. And then you do that and save it. And when you start the video, it will start at 50 seconds and it should end at 6 minutes. So somewhere around there. Let's see if it worked. So there, it stopped at 6:01, right where we wanted it. And so what I would do for user experience is add some directions here that say, watch the video clip about the banking practices. Watch the following something like this. To let them know that it's going to stop, that it's not malfunctioning and stuff like that. And that's all.